Nowadays, we still have towers that we are making. Tower of success, tower of fame and glory and riches, tower of identity against God, tower of self-righteousness. Nakita nyo ang mga tower na ginagawa natin ngayon. Pero tandaan mo kapatid, lahat ng tower na para sa sarili, guguho. All towers that we are making for ourselves to elevate ourselves over God will crumble because God will not let it happen. God loves you that He knows that if you continue to make the tower, you will be destroyed. So self above God. Tandaan natin to, lahat ng tower na para sa sarili ay guguho. Makikita natin sa Genesis 11 verse 1 to 9, dumating ang Diyos, ginulo ang kanilang plano at kinalat sila. Hindi dahil masama ang Panginoon. Our God is a good God. Pero dahil mahal tayo ng Panginoon.